What's up, Flomies? My name is Ellie, and today we're going to be learning how to do Ring Around the Flowstar. This is a very simple variation to a finger spin, and it looks like this. Ta-da! This move combines a finger spin with an isolation. So you're going to want to keep the star in one single point and anchor it there, and moving your body around the star instead of the star moving around your body. This is really fun to do with a partner. You can both walk around the star and switch off hands if that feels comfortable to you. It's a great way to involve the community in it as well. And that is how you do a Ring Around the Flowstar. Go ahead and give this video a like if you found it helpful, and leave any comments if you have any questions. Bye, Flomies.